What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus Snape,
That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
My hat fell off halfway through, so I pressed the
Oh.
button.
Take 732nd and 32.
What? Wait, can you see it?
That's me! Harry! 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 Harry!
Can you see my hat? Probably. No. No, you can't. Here, Julie, go in. I'll press it. I can see it. There, man.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the chocolate room.